before a 3-judge bench in January. And by then, the composition of the bench will be decided. This comes after senior advocate Aryama Sundaram mentioned the matter before the CJI. He said that the petition challenging the ban on online gaming was listed before Justice J.B. Pardiwala, but the matter was adjourned. CJI Surya said that we will list it in January so that a 3-judge bench can hear it. Advocate Sundaram said that a petition challenging the State Act was heard and the judgment was reserved, and the issue of jurisdiction was to come before them. Since people are unemployed, this requires urgent action. Senior advocate Arvind Datar said that we've presented detailed arguments. The CJI said that the case is in which the judgment has been reserved will give us information about the powers of the state. If in our federal structure it's held that the state is incompetent, then the centre intervenes. So the matter should be heard. I have Sambhav Sharma joining me with more details. Sambhav, what more can you tell our viewers?
This matter was before the Chief Justice of India, Surya, and the CJI said that the matter will be listed next month, that is January, before a 3-judge bench. And the matter was mentioned, as you rightly pointed out, by senior advocate C.A. Sundaram in the Supreme Court, and he informed the court that the petitions were earlier listed before Justice J.B. Pardiwala but were adjourned. And the petitioners were then asked to approach the CJI and further direction. Now, CJI will constitute a 3-judge bench to hear this particular case where the petitions challenging ban on online gaming. This is important. Petitions which challenge the centre's law of banning online money games. Earlier, there were many petitions in the Karnataka High Court and Delhi High Court, which were later on transferred to the Supreme Court on the request of the centre. And now the Supreme Court will constitute a 3-judge bench to hear this matter. And it is to be seen what the 3-judge bench will say next year, because obviously the matter will come in January, as the CJI has pointed out. And if we talk about what happened today, so apart from C.A. Sundaram, who appeared in the Supreme Court, senior advocate Arvind Datar informed the court that extensive arguments had already been put forth in this particular matter, and the judgment was earlier in a way reserved, challenging a similar kind of law. CJI Surya said that this reserve judgment will throw a light on the state powers and the federal structure, and also in a way CJI has noted that the state is considered, if the state is considered incapable of regulating the particular online gaming, then the centre may intervene, and it is up to the 3-judge bench to decide on this particular case. So here, now the 3-judge bench will hear this particular online petitions challenging online gaming in a way, and will, if the Supreme Court will hear this particular case, the 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court will hear the case in January.
Thanks, Sambhav, for joining me. In view of the recent Goa fire and upcoming festive season, Delhi Fire Service